WordArt is an artistic tool that adds flair to a text. Both textbox and WordArt are shapes that can be placed in any location without the limitation of the document margins. WordArt is very useful when creating documents such as letterheads, certificates, flyers, banners, etc. Hi, I am Casey Kaman. In this section, you will learn how to insert WordArt in a Word document. In a Word document, you can use textbox and WordArt to create bold headings or quotes that will attract the attention of readers. In the modern Word app, the WordArt is a kind of textbox, unlike in Word 1997 to 2003 applications. Therefore, you can work with the WordArt the same way you work with the text box. How to insert WordArt in your document. To insert a WordArt in your document, do the following. On the Insert tab, under the text group, select the WordArt icon. From the drop-down list, select an artistic design of your choice. A text box will, with your text here, inscription, appears. Delete the inscription text and type your desired text to create a WordArt text. Drag the WordArt text you created and position it where you desire. You can select the WordArt text and apply all the text formatting as explained under text formatting in our previous tutorial or previous section. Here you can apply different formatting effects such as line effects, fill effects, and text effects. To apply effects on WordArt, use either the text effects and typography icon on the Home tab under Font group, or use the text effects under WordArt Styles on the Shape Format tab. So whichever one you choose, you still achieve the same results. To apply fill effect, select the WordArt text under WordArt Styles group. Select text fill and choose a fill color. To apply line effect, select the WordArt text under WordArt Styles group. Select text outline and choose a line color, line weight, and the line style as you desire. You can also apply other effects such as glow effects, shadow effects, 3D rotation effects, and text transformation effects as you desire. Just try each of them and see how your text looks like. When you are done with your formatting, save your work. Your WordArt has been customized as you want it. You have successfully created and customized your WordArt. If you wouldn't mind, quickly subscribe to our YouTube channel, For questions and suggestions, use the comments below. Thank you.